Hello guys, welcome back into a new video. In this video, I am going to discuss about an upcoming phone which is the Apple iPhone 14. I am going to provide you full information about the phone. So please watch the full video without any skip and please subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. The phone is going to come in 4 variants, which is the iPhone 14, the iPhone 14 Max, the iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So at first, let's talk about its processor. The iPhone 14 and the iPhone Max is going to have the A15 Bionic processor, which is based on 5nm fabrication. So the processor is going to be hexa-core. The architecture is 64-bit. Its graphics will be Apple GPU 4-core graphics. And the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max is going to have the new A16 Bionic processor, which is a 4nm based processor. It is going to have 6.7 inches OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and is going to be bezel-less. The rear camera for iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max is going to have a dual camera setup, which is 40 megapixel primary camera and 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and dual LED flash. It is going to have 13 megapixel front camera with retina flash. It is going to have 3815 mAh battery with fast charging. It will support wireless charging. The iPhone 14 is going to have 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. It is going to have dual SIM. It will support 5G. The operating system of iPhone 14 is going to be iOS V15. Will not have any 3.5mm headphone jack. The price of iPhone 14 in India is going to be around 80,000 and is going to be launched on 31st October 2022. In the next video, I am going to talk about the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the iPhone 14 Pro. Hope you like this video. If you like it, then please consider to subscribe, like and share.